Hello everyone. Today I'll be planting these seeds. So this one is hot pepper. This one is tomato. And this one is a cucumber. And they all take 60 to 75 days except for the cucumber. It takes 55 days to harvest. So today I'm going to be planting the seeds. So let's get started. Okay, so step 2 is to find a place to plant the seeds. So let's see. It needs full sun. And the sun moves around all day. But it's right here. I can't plant it over there, so I feel like maybe we can pull the grass out and then that might be a good spot. I haven't been out here for 5 minutes and I'm already sweating. It's gonna be a lot of work. Hard work. So I don't have a shovel or any farming supplies because it's my first time farming in my life. So I'm just gonna kind of use this, get the dirt out the way. But I have had some experience with farming.
What did you do?
So when I would go stay with one of my uncles for the weekend, I would basically, he had a farm. You know what, me and my brother a garden, and we would go and help him water the plants and pick them. He grew like peppers, orange,
collard greens,
peppers.
peppers.
Peppers. I said peppers.
Oh.
But yeah. Those are worms.
That's the hole that the plants are going, the seeds are going in.
That's another one. So three holes for 3 different seeds. So shall we get planting? This is what the tomato seeds look like. So they're really small. Put dirt over it.
What are those?
Cucumber seeds. There's a whole bunch of ants over here. Just hope that they don't try to eat the seeds. There might have been an ant hole. This is hot pepper seeds. Sorry that you guys hear my brother in the background the whole time. He's playing Roblox for that video. Now I'm gonna water the plants. So I'm not gonna put too much. That's already a lot. I'm taking a guess. I think it's right here. Yeah. these plants are definitely not gonna survive. But we'll see what happens, and I'll make sure to update you guys. And I hope you guys like this video. Oh, I forgot to say, I got these seeds from school. So, yeah. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. I will update you. Subscribe, and let's try to get this video to go easy on you guys. At least 500, 5,000. Whichever one you guys get to choose. But see you guys later.